Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see some more examples related to scientific notation. So let us take an example here. In this example, we want to multiply two scientific notation numbers. We want to simplify 3 times 10 to the power of 10. We want to take this number and then multiply to 4 times 10 to the power of 5. So the way we want to simplify this is as follows. Step number 1, we can multiply the numbers. We multiply 3 times 4, and then we can write those exponential terms together, 10 to the power of 10 and then 10 to the power of -5. The reason I did this is because it'll make it a lot easier for us to simplify. In step number 2, we'll simplify the process, and then the way to simplify it is as follows. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 times, because the bases are the same, we write the base once, and then we combine the powers. 10 minus 5. We know this rule, a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. As long as the bases are the same, we can write the base once and then combine the powers. So we can simplify this some more as follows. 12 times 10 to the power of 5. So a very large number like 3 times 10 to the power of 10 times a very small number like 4 times 10 to the power of -5, when we multiply those two numbers, the resulting value is going to be equal to 12 times 10 to the power of 5. And this is where we want to leave it. This is our answer. Let's look at another example. And then in this example, let us say we want to simplify this scientific notation numbers. 7.5 times 10 to the power of -4 divided by 5 times 10 to the power of 3. So the way to do that is as follows. We'll write them down in these different steps. That makes it a lot easier for us. We'll write the whole numbers together, 7.5 divided by 5, and then since we have 10 to the power of -4 in the numerator and 10 to the power of 3 in the denominator, we will write this one as times 10 to the power of 4, which is in the numerator, and then we'll bring the value, we'll bring 10 to the power of 3, which is in the denominator, to the numerator. And as we know, when we have a positive exponent in the denominator, when we bring it up to the numerator, it becomes we can express that as a negative exponent. Therefore 7.5 divided by 5 is going to be equal to 1.5 times, since the bases are the same, we can write the base once and then we can add the powers, -4 minus 3. So therefore, when we simplify this is going to be 1.5 times 10 to the power of -7. So when we divide two numbers which are expressed in scientific notation format, we can simplify them using the rules of exponents and then be able to express it in this form, which is also in a scientific notation format. So this is where we want to leave it. This is our answer. Okay. In my next presentation, we should look at some more examples related to scientific notation, and which are real world application problems.